All right, y'all, we're gonna make us some candy yams over here. And I'm gonna show y'all the easy way of making these yams. So I got me a half a stick of that's salted butter that's going into that. And I'm also gonna toss in about a cup of brown sugar. And I'm also gonna toss in about half a cup of white sugar. And I got some nutmeg that I'm gonna toss in here as well. Then I'm gonna add this cinnamon. And I got some vanilla extract. You could use your pure vanilla if you like, but this is what I have. About a good teaspoon of that. I just want to let this come to a nice little cook. One more thing that I'm going to add into this, I want to put some of this here sugar babies. That's that Misha's Corner. My girl Misha made this here sugar babies, so I want to put in about a little bit of sugar babies in here. But this is just optional. Now let me go and grab these yams real quick. So now what I want to use is some canned yams. I'm using canned yams with the syrup in it. First can I'm putting the syrup along with those. Give this a nice little stir. And I'm going to add the second can without the juice. And I just want to break up some of these pieces. The larger pieces I just break up. Then we'll just let it cook until the liquid reduces. And I'll be back. Alright, so we've been letting these cook now for a little bit. And as you can see, the liquid is evaporating down. This is what I love about these canned yams, is that it don't take much to basically get these babies together. Only thing you have to do is just make sure they submerged in the liquid and just watch that liquid reduce and everything will be all right. So I'm gonna continue to let this cook until that liquid reduce. And that's all we need to do. And then you can take your liquid and just spoon it some right on top of your potatoes. And every time these potatoes break up, they thicken the juice up a little bit. But you could definitely smell that goodness of these yams. All right, so we'll be back with the finished product. So right now these yams are done. The liquid has cooked out of them. And this is where I want them to be. This is exactly where I want them to be right here. And all that flavor is embedded into these yams. These is what I call good yams right here, y'all. Get you a little bit of this here. Give it a nice little taste test. And that's a wrap. That's all you need right there. Done deal.